It's a story of hate in its purest form. Colleen walked around not knowing that there's somebody who hated her with a passion. And that person she ended up putting in her circle on her private Instagram. And that was Rebecca Vardy. The problem with hate is that if you allow someone who hates you to come into your circle, you are giving them the weapon to hurt you. And that hate was shown by Rebecca Vardy's messages, vile messages about Colleen, and she had no idea until it was all shown in court. In the messages, Rebecca Vardy was calling Colleen vile slur names, but this woman hated her and she set out to hurt her. She couldn't just leave the hate alone. She wanted to hurt her. So she actually went on to sell her private stories to a newspaper just to hurt her. Do not let people you don't trust into your inner circle. They might just be your haters and they might just hurt you the way this Rebecca tried to hurt her. And the good thing is justice was